Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. In last class we started to learn the problems in straight lines. So we continue that process. Today we are going to solve few more problems, and today's first problem is like this. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. So what do you mean by equal intercepts? X intercept is equal to Y intercept. Ashte ಬೇರೆ ಏನು special thing ಇಲ್ಲ. So if this is A, according to the given data, this should be A. Okay, so what is given? The given data is X intercept equal to A. Suppose if I take Y intercept is also equal to A. Okay, Y intercept is also equal to A. Therefore, what is the equation? Can you tell me? Therefore, the equation of a line. Therefore, equation of the line according to this is x by a plus y by a equal to 1, because both are equal to a only. So that is x plus y is equal to a. Correct? Now what is given? This is passes through the point 2, 3. So it's one more given data is 1 passes through 1 passes through 2, 3. Andre 2, 3 is a point on the line. If a point is on the line, the coordinate must satisfy the equation. Remember that. These coordinates must satisfy this equation. So, put x is equal to 3, y is equal, x equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Where? In 1. What you will get? A is equal to 5. Alba? So, therefore, the equation is, final answer. Therefore, the equation is x plus y is equal to 5. So this is a equation of a straight line with equal intercepts as well as passes through the point 2, 3. Remember, this is an important question for 3 marks. 3 marks kilo problem ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೇಟಾನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x intercept is equal to y intercept. If x intercept is equal to y intercept, equation must be x plus y is equal to a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ unknown ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? A is unknown. How to get that unknown? Yeah, one more data is given here in this question. That line passes through the point 2, 3. So substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. We'll get a is equal to 5. Remember, because of a is equal to 5, the final answer is easy to write because just substitute here, we'll get the answer. Sariya? Artha aitalva? Sure alva? Ha. Now, next question is almost similar to that, but not easy like this. It's easy to solve, but concept is same. What is that question? Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is equal to 9. Okay. Suppose if I take x intercept, equal alla nenpili. Suppose if I take x intercept is equal to a, okay, and y intercept is equal to b, then what is given? Tell me. Yes, a plus b is equal to 9, correct? A plus b is equal to 9, or this implies I can write b is equal to 9 minus 10. You will come to know why I am writing like this. This is a given data, correct? So therefore, what is the required equation? Therefore, what is the required equation? Can you tell me? Since you know x intercept and y intercept, so what is the required equation? Is x by a, x intercept is a, plus y by y intercept and the b is, you know, 9 minus a equal to 1. So let it be 1. This is a required equation. Now one more given data. What is that? Given the equation passes through the point 2, 2. Therefore 1 passes through, given 1 passes through 2, 2. Given that 1 passes through 2, 2 and the point is on the line. So as we did in the last one, put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 in 1. In barate 2 by a plus 2 by 9 minus a equal to 1. So what is required? What is unknown in this equation? Only a is unknown, and very easily you can obtain a from this expression. A barudu? Take LCM. A into 9 minus a is LCM. So 2 into 9 minus a plus 2a, correct? Equal to 1. Cross multiply, you'll get 18 minus 2a plus 2a equal to 9a minus a square. So yeah, So ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 2a cancel, plus 2a and minus 2a cancel. So the remaining thing is 18 equal to 9a minus a square. So this is nothing but a square minus 9a plus 18 is equal to 0. 6 into 3 alva. So a minus 6, a minus 3 is equal to 0. Correct? So a is equal to 6 or a is equal to 3. So there are two equations now. So one for a is equal to 6. So a is equal to 6 adaga, what will be the b? B is equal to 9 minus 6 and the 3. So therefore what is the equation? Therefore equation is x by 6 plus y by 3 equal to 1. So this is the required equation. The answer for the first case, a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6. So what is the equation? X by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. So that's it. So these are the two different answer for the given data. So there are two different answer for the one condition that passes to the point 2, 2 as well as cutting off intercepts on the axis. So sum is 9. Even this question is also very important. Please remember for 3 marks. This is also an important question for 3 marks. Both almost similar type of question. Artha aita? So artha aitalla eradu question explanation artha agidalva? They are almost the same type but it will work just compared to this. Both are very important. Okay, next question. Find the equation of the line through the point 0, 2 making an angle 120 degree with the positive direction of x axis. Okay, so if I draw one simple diagram, it passes through the point 0, 2. Okay, 0, 2 making an angle 120 degree with the positive direction of x axis. This is simple. Yeah, so we need a slope alva. Ee height gottide no 2. This height is 2. Because of the given data, this height is 2. So what are the given data? Since it is cut y-axis at a distance height, so y-intercept is known. Y-intercept is known. What is y-intercept? 2. That is nothing but c. So c is known. We know theta, right? Theta is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, what is the slope? What is slope? M tan 120 degree. Tan 120 degree hege convert ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Tan of 180 minus 60 degree alva, that is minus tan 60 degree, that is minus root 3. So m is equal to minus root 3. Remember y intercept is 2, m is equal to minus root 3. So which concept we should use now? Which form? Therefore the equation is is y is equal to m x plus c. Equation is y is equal to mx plus c, that is y is equal to minus root 3 into x plus 2. This implies root 3 into x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line. So this will be the final answer for the first question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದಿ. there are two questions in the question. So first question ಏನು? find the equation of the line that passes through the point 0, 2 and making an angle 120 degree is. Yeah, that is done. But observe carefully, one more question is there in the same statement. And also find the equation of the line parallel to it, and the e lining parallel. So we have to find out now an equation which is suppose this is a line, we have to find out the equation of the another line which is parallel to the above equation and crossing y-axis at a distance 2 units below the origin. Okay, so suppose if I write the proper diagram. So we saw the line is like this. This is a line root 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have to find out equation of the another line which crosses the y-axis at a distance 2 units below the origin. And then like this. This is distance 2 below the origin. So we need to find out the equation of this line. We need to find out the equation of this particular line. Okay, so we can ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ again y-intercepts alva, y-intercept. So this distance is 2 implies. So for this data question given y-intercept that is c is equal to minus 2. Why it is minus 2? Because it cuts negative y-axis. Okay, so what is required? Slope. If two lines are parallel, right? You know that if lines are parallel, if lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. Alva, slopes are equal. We already know about this. So slope of this line is again, minus root 3. So therefore the equation is, equation is ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, y is equal to minus root 3 into x minus 2. So that is root 3 into x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line which is parallel to the first line which cut the negative y-axis at a distance 2 from the origin. At a distance 2 units below the origin and the negative y-axis. So artha aitalva? So I hope you understood these three particular problems, right? So still few more questions that I am going to discuss it now. Okay. So next question, the perpendicular from the origin to a line meet it at the point minus 2,9. Find the equation of the line. See, the diagram will be like this. Minus 2,9 will be in the second quadrant, alva. Minus 2,9 will be in the second quadrant. Approximately, you can tell like this. Position, exact position bariyala, approximate position. The perpendicular from the origin to the line, to the line meet at the point minus 2,9. Suppose if this is a line, if this is a point minus 2,9, they are telling perpendicular drawn from the origin will meet this point minus 2,9. Exact position bekantilla. Diagram is not part of the solution actually, only for you to understand the question. So we need now this equation. This equation is required. Find the equation of the line. Yeah, so what we know here, given one point is known, alva, x1 y1 is known. What is that? X1 y1 minus 2,9. So you have to find out either another point or you have to find out the slope of the point. See, this point is origin, alva, 0, 0. Suppose if I name this as AB, this is OD. Suppose if I name like this, can you tell me what is slope of OD? Since you know 2 points on that, since you know 2 points on the line OD, very easily you can decide the slope, right? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? Minus 9 by 2 anta aaytu alva. Now OD is, it's given in the question, OD is perpendicular to AB, correct? Therefore slope of AB alva into slope of OD according to the result minus 1. Product of slope of two perpendicular line is always minus 1. So therefore what is slope of AB? Slope of AB is equal to minus 1 by minus 9 by 2 and 2 by 9 minus. Okay. So we know slope, this is M, this is x1 y1. Therefore the equation is y minus y1 minus 9 equal to 2 by 9 into x minus x1. What is x1? Minus 2 really plus 2. So this will be 9y minus 81 equal to 2x plus 4. So this implies the final answer is 2x minus 9y. Idi ಈಚೆ ತಗೊಂಬರೋತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 85 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 81 plus 4, 85 equal to 0. So this will be the the equation of the line which passes through minus 2,1 and perpendicular distance from the origin, it will meet the point minus 2,9. So artha aita? So ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಿಲ್ಲಿ point ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So what we have to find out? Slope. There is no other option. Another point is possible to find out, but length is difficult. So instead of that, find out the slope easily using the concept like two lines of perpendicular implies product of slope equal to minus 1. We'll get everything very easily. Artha aita? Right now? Yes. Next question. If P of A comma B is the midpoint of a line segment between the axes, show that equation of the line is. Okay, this is also an important question. Easy question. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. So x axis y axis ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. It definitely bisect. P of A comma B will be the midpoint of the line joining these 2 points. Midpoint, and this is a midpoint. It's given in the question. Suppose if I name this as A, this is a B. I'll take this as H. Okay, I'll take this as a K. So yeah, now if I take that OA is equal to H and OB is equal to K, okay, suppose if I take in this diagram OA is equal to H and OB is equal to K, then can you tell me the equation of the line? Therefore equation of the line is which form? Intercept form, x by H plus y by K is equal to 1. So to complete this work, we have to find out now h comma k. Now if I take this as h, what are the coordinates of the point A? Yeah, it is h comma 0. Idra enagate 0 comma k. Correct? Now let it be 1. Now what is given? Tell me. A comma B is the midpoint. Is the midpoint of which one? Midpoint of AB. So you know A comma B is the midpoint of AB, and also we know coordinates of A comma B. Therefore, A comma B is equal to h plus 0 by 2 using midpoint formula, k plus 0 by 2 again using the midpoint formula. So this implies enagate h by 2 is equal to A and k by 2 is equal to B. 2 points are equal means corresponding elements are equal, alva. We want h and k. So this implies h is equal to 2A, correct? And k is equal to 2B. Now substitute this value in 1. Okay. So substitute h and k in 1. In barate x by 2A plus y by 2B is equal to 1. So this implies multiply 2 on both sides, you will get x by A plus y by B equal to 2. And since it is a show that question, definitely answer is given. X by A plus y by B is equal to 2. Is it match? Yes, definitely it will match with the answer which we got just now. X by A plus y by B is equal to 2. So that's it. Artha aita? Very simple logic. Concept godaidalva? So assume something and using the assumption get the answer which is given in the question. Okay, the next two questions, the last two questions for today's class. Out of that, first one is like this. The point R of h comma k divides a line segment between the axis in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of the line. See, this is almost like the previous one. Previous one, you know, midpoint, but here it is that point given in the question is not the midpoint. So almost work is same. Instead of midpoint formula, we are using section formula. But still, I will solve because these problems are very, very important. Observe carefully. So let us explain what is given in the question again. Take a line segment between the coordinate axis, x axis and y axis, and one point is given. Okay, in the question is that is R of h comma k. It is divided in the ratio 1:2. Okay, I'll name this as O. This is A. This is B. So let us assume this is A, the small a. This is small b. Okay, so you assume that. Okay, here again you have to write it. Let OA is equal to A and OB is equal to B. Now therefore, what is the equation of this line? Therefore, equation of the line is according to this. Yes, x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Why? X intercept is known, y intercept is known. So equation must be in the form of x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಚ್ ಕಮಾ ಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕಮಾ ಬಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಚ್ ಕಮಾ ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಕಮಾ ಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ, ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಚ್ ಕಮಾ ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ನೋ ಎ ಕಮಾ 0 ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ನೋ 0 ಕಮಾ ಬಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ನೋ ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ internally in the ratio 1:2. So you should use section formula instead of midpoint formula. So what is given? It is given that you know R, that is h comma k, divides AB internally alva, internally yav ratio dalli, in the ratio yav ratio 1:2. So using section formula, R of h comma k, okay, is equal to section formula ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So m, this is m, you can consider, this is n, you can consider, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So 1 into a plus 2 into 0, right? Okay, 0, so no need to write, divided by 3, 1 plus 2, comma 1 into 0, yes, plus 2 into b divided by again 1 plus 2. So this implies you will get a by 3 is equal to h and 2b by 3 is equal to k. So we need a and b. So a is equal to 3h and B is equal to 3k by 2. So now use these two in the equation number 1. Okay, so substitute A and B in 1 in both x by a is equal to 3h, y by 3k by 2 is equal to 1, and this implies x by h, correct, plus 2y by x by 3h divided by 2y by 3k is equal to 1, and this implies x by h plus 2y by k is equal to 3. You can continue here also, or you can keep this answer like this, or like this, or you can keep in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form also. Okay, so this will be the final answer. This question is not sure, that just find, you can stop at any stage. You can keep like this, or you can keep any other way, but keep x and y as it is. Okay, so only difference between this one and the next one, this one is midpoint formula to the section formula. Aste difference irudu aste. So answer is x by h plus 2y by k is equal to 3. Correct? Yeah. I'm moving to the last question, or the next question for the today's class. By using the concepts of equation of a line, prove that 3 points are collinear. 3 points are collinear and okay, it lie on the same line. So one is 3 comma 0, another one is minus 2 comma minus 2, and last one 8 comma 2. So I'll name this as A, this is B, this is C. Now we have to prove that using the concepts of equation of line. See, we know already how to prove 3 points are collinear using distance formula, which you learn in 10th standard. In this year, we learn how to prove these 3 points from a collinear points using slope concept. Now we are going to prove these 3 points are collinear, not using the previous any method, using the equations of the straight line. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me how to use the concepts of straight line or equation of straight line to prove 3 points are collinear? Then another idea? Yeah, you're right. First find out equation of AB, AC, BC, anything. Equation of AB, AC, CA. Other the bakers find out one equation. Line is you can consider this is the one line, this is another line, or full one line. So using 2 points, write equation of a line. Okay. So first find out equation of AB. What is the equation of AB? Y minus y1. Okay. AB is x1 y1. This x2 y2 and consider y minus y1 0 equal to minus 2 minus 0 by minus 2 minus 3 into x minus x1. That is y is equal to minus minus cancel 2 by 5 into x minus 3. So 5y equal to 2x minus 6. 2x minus 5y plus minus 6 is equal to 0. So what does this represent? This represents equation of AB. Now if the third point, okay, to prove now to prove ABC are collinear, okay, using this equation you have to prove that C is belongs to this line. See, line extend madi kuda, if these 3 points are collinear, definitely this point must be on this line, no? So point illi idre, okay, you can continue madidaga, definitely these 3 points are okay, not collinear if it is not belongs or if it not satisfy the equation, alva. So if I name this as a 1, to prove now 3 points are collinear using this equation, only thing you have to do is substitute this value in this equation. If it satisfies, everything is finalized. Okay, so let us check whether it satisfies or not. Substitute x is equal to 8, y is equal to y is equal to 2 in 1 in barbodari. Satisfy agata? Satisfy agata, it should be 0. Is it 0? 16 minus 10 minus 6. 16 minus 16. Yes, it satisfies. Alva? The point 8 comma 2 definitely satisfies. Therefore, you can write that A comma B comma C are collinear. See, we didn't use any other previous method to prove 3 points are collinear. It satisfy aglebeku. Suppose definitely it won't satisfy. The line will goes like this, and if the point is here, these 3 points are not collinear. Collinear and it should be in the same line. All the 3 points should be in the same line. Construct an equation using any 2 points. Substitute the third point on the equation of the line. If it satisfies, you can write the conclusion that ABC are collinear. If it not satisfies, ABC are not collinear. So here they ask using the concept of equation of the line. We use equation of the line So everything is satisfied for the given data. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So almost this exercise is over. Few 1 or 2 problems left. That I will discuss in next class. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Thank you.